Teach me how to make money with ChatGPT. Developing and selling chatbot applications. ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI, can be used to train a chatbot to understand and respond to natural language input. These chatbots can be used in a variety of industries such as customer service, e-commerce, and education. In customer service, chatbots can handle routine inquiries and help customers find the information they need quickly and efficiently. For e-commerce, chatbots can assist customers with product recommendations, answer questions about products, and help them navigate the website. In education, chatbots can be used as virtual tutors to help students with homework and other assignments. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate written content such as articles, blog posts, and product descriptions. This content can be sold to individuals or businesses. Blog posts and articles can be used to generate traffic for a website, and product descriptions can be used to improve search engine optimization. As an AI model, ChatGPT can generate a high volume of content in a short amount of time, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses.
Language translation. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for a specific language and used to translate text from one language to another. This service can be offered to individuals or businesses. With the ability to understand and generate text in multiple languages, ChatGPT can assist with tasks such as website localization, document translation, and customer support. This can be particularly valuable for businesses looking to expand into new markets, allowing them to communicate effectively with customers in different languages. Data annotation. ChatGPT can be used to generate large amounts of data, which can be used to train other models. Data annotation is the process of marking up data to make it understandable for machine learning models. This can be a time-consuming task, and businesses may outsource this work to save time and resources. ChatGPT can assist with this task by generating large amounts of labeled data quickly and accurately. Creating and selling pre-trained ChatGPT models for specific industries or use cases. The models trained by OpenAI can be fine-tuned for specific industries and use cases, such as customer service, e-commerce, education, and more. These models can be sold to businesses and organizations looking to implement chatbot technology. With pre-trained models available, businesses can save time and resources on model training, allowing them to focus on developing and implementing the chatbot for their specific use case. Developing and selling virtual writing assistants for authors and content creators. ChatGPT can assist authors and content creators with tasks such as writing, editing, and generating ideas for their work. These virtual writing assistants can help to increase productivity and creativity, allowing authors and content creators to focus on the creative aspects of their work. With the ability to understand and generate text, ChatGPT can assist with everything from researching and outlining a story to proofreading and editing the final draft. Building and selling automated writing and editing tools for businesses and individuals. ChatGPT can be used to create automated writing and editing tools that can assist businesses and individuals with tasks such as copywriting, proofreading, and grammar checking. These tools can help to improve the quality of written content and save time and resources. With the ability to understand and generate text, ChatGPT can assist with everything from creating compelling headlines to identifying and correcting grammatical errors. Creating and selling personalized language learning chatbot for individuals. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for specific languages and used to create personalized language learning chatbots. These chatbots can assist individuals with learning a new language by providing conversation practice, grammar lessons, and vocabulary building exercises. With the ability to understand and generate text in the target language, ChatGPT can provide a more immersive and personalized language learning experience for individuals. Developing and selling voice-enabled virtual assistants for smart devices. ChatGPT can be used to create voice-enabled virtual assistants that can be integrated into smart devices such as Amazon Echo and Google Home. These virtual assistants can assist with tasks such as playing music, setting reminders, and answering questions. With the ability to understand and respond to natural language input, ChatGPT-powered virtual assistants can provide a more intuitive and conversational user experience. Creating and selling chatbot solutions for mental health and wellness services. ChatGPT can be used to create chatbot solutions for mental health and wellness services. These chatbots can assist individuals with tasks such as stress management, mindfulness, and mental health resources. By providing emotional support and resources, chatbots can help to improve mental health outcomes and reduce the burden on healthcare providers. With the ability to understand and respond to natural language input, ChatGPT-powered chatbots can provide a more personalized and engaging experience for users.